And this is a pretty rare item. It's a horn. So, there you go. It's a Delco-Remy. See right there, it says Delco-Remy on it. So this is a newer style horn, but it's not late model horn. So Harley liked the trumpet horns, and before they had the Springer style horns, which we all went back into the 20s basically. Definitely all the 30s. And so they had Klaxman horns in the late 20s. So yeah, when did the Delco horn come out? Delco horn probably came out in 31 I'd call it, maybe 32. About that time frame. So anyway, so this is the horn they used after the old Springer style, the old 30s horn. Same company, Delco-Remy, obviously. But this is the one that they used. Basically, they used this on Sportsters, xlch's, and XLs. They didn't run the trumpet horn, they had this one on there. It's mainly a CH item. But they only ran this for about 1 year. So it's basically later 63, 64, and that's about it. After that, they came out with the modern style horn. It looks like a snail scroll. This one has a bell on, just rings. Ding, 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 ding. This doesn't have the snail cage look to it. So this is the one that they use at the very end. So these are pretty rare because they don't use them very often. They didn't use them on the Big Twin. They only used them on the Sportster, and probably on the Hummer too, I bet. But they're only for a year or two. Maybe a 3-year run max, but I'm pretty sure it's only about a year on a Sportster anyway. So anyway, this one's not brand new, but it's pretty close to it. It's original paint, and you can see it's not damaged at all. So there you go. Pretty rare horn. So if you're restoring a bike, that's what you need. Good luck on finding one. I see these about once every 8 to 10 years. I see one pop up on eBay. So this one I actually got. So there you go. Pretty rare item. Alright, that's it for that.